Hey guys, are you worrying about for which thing you have allowed the Facebook to access your device and you want to check it that you don't know how to check it? So don't you worry, because I'm going to tell you the exact way how to see your device permission on Facebook profile, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app and then come to the menu option by tapping on these three lines on the right top right corner, and come to your menu section. Just simply tap at this gear in front of this search icon to open up settings and privacy. In settings and privacy section, just scroll down a little bit until you get the option of device permissions. Just simply tap on it, and then here it will show for which thing you have allowed the Facebook to access your device and for which thing you have didn't allow the Facebook to access your device. So here you can see all about that. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and I will be recommending you to check the latest video and end screen. Thanks guys.